Interpolation with equal intervals. Today we are going to study problems on interpolation with equal intervals. Here there are two cases. One is Newton's forward interpolation formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula. It's depend on the independent variable x. So you can observe here, find f of 1.4 and f of 4.6 for the given data. So 1.4. So when x is 1.4, see here 1.4 is near to x naught. So we have to apply forward interpolation formula. Newton's forward interpolation formula 4.6. 4.6 means near to end point. It is lies in between 4 and 5. So we need to consider Newton's backward interpolation formula. So first we need to construct the difference table. So x, y, first difference, second difference. Actually you have to take forward means you should take delta y, this is delta square y, like this. But here in the same set of data we are applying both forward and backward. So generally I will consider first difference, second difference like that. So x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values are 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. So first difference 26 minus 10, 16. Second difference 58 minus 26, 32. Next 112 minus 58, 54. Next 194 minus 112, it is 82. So second difference 32 minus 16, 16. 54 minus 32, it is 22. 88 minus 54, it is 28. So third difference is 22 minus 16, it is 6. 28 minus 22, it is 6. So fourth difference, these two are equal, so understood. Fourth difference will get 0. So this is our difference table. To find y of 1.4, 1.4 is near to x naught. We need to apply Newton's forward interpolation formula. That is y of x is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p of p minus 1 into delta square y naught plus p of p minus 1 p minus 2 into delta cube y naught divided by 3 factorial. It is 2 factorial p of p. Okay, this is the formula and so on. So before that we need to find out p. P is equal to x minus x naught by h. What is x? X is 1.4 minus x naught is 1. So divided by h. H is common with 1, 2, 3, 4. H is common with is 1. So 1.4 minus 1 is plus 0.4. So we will substitute here. So x is 1.4 is equal to y naught. So in forward means we need to take the leading terms. In the first difference table, these are the leading terms. Okay. So p is equal to y naught. Y naught is 10 plus p is 0.4 into delta y naught. Delta y naught is 16 plus p is 0.4 into p minus 1. So it is minus 0.6 into divided by 2 factorial is 2. Delta square y naught. Delta square y naught is 16 plus p. P is 0.4. P minus 1 is 0.6 into 0.4 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, 6 into delta cube. Delta cube third difference is into 6. So after this step we need to calculate and you will get the answer. Y of 1.4 is 14.864. This is the result. So the answer you can check that 14.864. It is lies between 1 and 2. F of 1 and f of 2. 10 and 26. Greater than 10 and less than 26. So this is the forward interpolation formula applied. Similarly, we need to find out the second one, that is f of 4.6. F of 4.6 means it is near to end point. We need to apply backward interpolation formula. So for that p is equal to x minus xn by h. X is 4.6 minus xn is end point. End point is 5 divided by h is 1. So you are having minus 0.4. So p is minus 0.4. So here backward interpolation formula y is equal to yn. Forward means y naught, backward means yn plus p into the nabla. Here nabla yn plus p of p plus 1 by 2 factorial into nabla square yn plus p of p plus 1 p plus 2 by 3 factorial into nabla cube yn plus and so on. This is plus here. Here it is p minus 1. Okay, so we'll substitute now. In backward means in the same difference table, we should take this is yn, this is nabla yn, this is nabla square yn, this is nabla cube yn. Forward means like this, backward means we have to take these values. So yn is 194 plus p is minus 4 into delta yn, sorry nabla yn is 82 plus p is minus 0.4 into p plus 1 minus 0.4 plus 1 is 0.6 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into nabla square yn is 28 plus minus 0.4 into 0.6 minus 0.4 minus plus 2 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. So after this we have to substitute in all this formula and we need to calculate. Here p is minus 4, p plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1 is right. So finally you will get the answer 157.456. This is y of 4.6. Okay. So you can check the result for 157. 1 greater than 112 and less than 194. The answer is lies between these two results. Okay. This is forward and backward. Okay. So next problem we need to find out the polynomial. Okay. Yes. Find the polynomial by using the given data. So here you can observe that here the x values are equal intervals. So we have to take Newton's forward, otherwise Newton's backward interpolation formula. Anyone we can choose and we can form the polynomial. So here first we need to calculate p. P is equal to x minus x naught by h. Okay, x minus x naught is 0 by h is common difference is 1. So p is taken as x. You got p is x. So I'll use forward interpolation. That's what I have taken x naught now. So I need to consider Newton's forward interpolation formula. So y is equal to y naught plus p into delta y naught plus p of p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus p of p minus 1 p minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus and so on. Okay. So now we need to construct the difference table. So x, f of x means y, delta y, delta square y. So x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So y values are 41, 43, 47, 53, 61 and 71. So first difference 43 minus 1, 2, 47 minus 3, 4, 53 minus 7, 6, 61 minus 3, 8, 71 minus 61 is 10. Second difference 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2. So third difference delta cube y. Delta cube y automatically you got all values are 0. So after constructing the difference table you have to put it in the formula. So I'll substitute now y is equal to y naught. Y naught already forward interpolation I'm using, so we should take the leading term. In first difference leading terms are, these are leading terms. So y is equal to y naught. Y naught is 41 plus p is x. So x into delta y naught. Delta y naught is 2 plus p, x into x minus 1 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into delta square y. Delta square y is 2 plus again third delta cube y difference is 0. So understood, it is last term. So next 2 and 2 get cancelled. Y is equal to 41 plus 2x plus x into x square minus x. So by simplifying, x square plus 2x minus x is plus x and then plus 41. This is the polynomial. So y is equal to, otherwise f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 41. Now we can find out any intermediate value of the x. Suppose you need to calculate 1.5. So put value here 1.5. So substitute here, you will get. Similarly 4.5. 4.5 directly you can substitute here and you will get the value of y. So polynomial means like this we need to calculate.